Hello everyone, it's me again, your favorite Zen Queen. It's time to take a break from the chaotic world of work and find your inner peace. Join me as we navigate the challenges of work stress and discover blissful ways to unwind. Close your eyes and let go of the weight of work that burdens your mind. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and release all the stress and tension that is built up throughout the day. Imagine as you squeeze the stress away, it dissolves into nothingness. Feel the tension melting from your body, leaving you lighter, calmer, and more present in this moment. Picture yourself in a tranquil oasis, away from the hustle and bustle of the workplace. Allow the sounds of nature to wash over you, bringing a sense of tranquility and rejuvenation. Take a moment to stretch your body, releasing any stiffness caused by long hours at your desk. Embrace the gentle flow of movement, connecting mind, body, and breath. As you open your eyes, remember that work stress is temporary, but your inner peace is within your control. Nurture yourself, practice self-care, and remember that you are deserving of tranquility amidst the demands of work. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this meditation helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more rejuvenating content that empowers your inner tranquility. Remember, you are the architects of your own serenity. Stay centered and embrace the peacefulness that resides within you. I will catch you later, you beautiful spirits.